Just take a beat and look how cute, inexpensive, easy and fun. What more could you want? In planning a party, it's a baseball themed party today, as you can see, but tomorrow it could easily be a baby shower. Whatever your reason to celebrate, these tips and ideas will give you a great base. Brooke Carter is in the studio sharing her latest party home run with us, throwing in all the baseball puns. It's so good to see you, Brooke.
I know, I've missed you. How are you?
Welcome back. We've missed you, and you are coming back in full form. This is...
With a home run?
With a home run! Hit it out of the park every time, all the lines, all the phrases. Who is your baseball player that you threw this party for?
I mean, I have a number 12 right there. My oldest son, Hudson, plays baseball, and we hosted a baseball team party. So I thought, you know, I want to do something fun, but I was just telling you, I had just recovered from surgery.
Yes.
So I got to keep it down a little.
Yeah.
So here we are.
This is you keeping it down.
Yeah.
This is some of us stepping it up, but we're going to break down the details because the devil is in the details.
Yes.
As they say, we like to adapt and say the darling is in the details.
Yes.
Can we start with this baseball structure? Because this is a head turner.
This is crazy. So you can search on Amazon, or I think Home Goods has it. It's called an over-the-top table rod. So it just screws on to your island. So I put it on my kitchen island, and it'd be so fun because it's super lightweight, it's easy, and then you can adjust the length of it. And I spray painted it a long time ago, so I feel like I need to get into automotive and get a good paint coat on there. And it's just fun. And you can usually use it for balloons or floral. And we got a wild hair and pulled out the drill, you know?
Okay, we're gonna talk about the drill. We're gonna talk about the mechanics because, I mean, the drippy ribbons alone kind of set the scene or set the stage over your island, over your kitchen bar.
Yeah.
But then you did pull out that drill, and how did you manipulate these baseballs to hang like this?
So what is interesting is it's not as hard as you would think. Now, we were just watching Cute Bethany.
Creative people say that all the time.
So you never know. But what I did is I just literally got a drill. So lucky me, I have Mom and Grandpa Joe who has a drill press. But you can also use a hand drill, which I've done, and you just drill right through it. Now the one trick is when you start drilling, it will spin. So you just have to have a good grip on it.
A good stabilizing hand.
Yes. Yeah. And then I just kind of made it up. I'm like, I gotta have something to.
So it's like a brad or a button, or what is it?
It's just like a little washer kind of.
Yeah, and then knotted at the bottom.
And we just knotted it, and then just looped it around.
This is
from the rod.
Fantastic.
So
where are you getting these vintage baseballs?
Isn't that so funny? So I'm very lucky I didn't choose one that said home run 2001. You know, you never know.
Oh, these are the real balls.
These are balls that my husband had growing up.
Stop it.
So I asked in advance, but this one right here just gets me.
Oh, with the bits and the yarn. Is it yarn?
Funny.
I don't even know. But the pieces falling off the circumference of that baseball.
Yeah.
I'm ruining the ruggedness of this sport with every word that I say.
Know.
But it is so eye-catching and so fun to look at. And you made the point to our producer that you could adapt this theme to not just a baseball
team. For sure. So I actually just went to the dollar store. So everyone run to the dollar store because right now they have the little little mini cauldron type candy. I don't know what they're called. But St. Patrick's Day. Those little buckets, you know, like pot of gold buckets.
Right.
I want to hang them for a class party.
Right.
Stick some Lucky Charms in there, you know, something fun like that. It could be so fun to hang cute little baby clothes or even your favors, clip your favor off and take it with you.
So that becomes the party piece that you use again and again and again with the hanging idea, the vertical suspension idea as kind of your jumping off point.
Yeah.
Point out some other details that you did for this party in particular.
So what I think of when I'm thinking of a group of people, we're 75 people at this party.
Oh, wow.
The first thing I think of is simple, easy with a little bit of cute. So my number one party tip is Parsons Bakery in Bountiful. If you haven't been, it's the best. But what I really like to do are these little baskets. And so what I just think it's so simple, so easy, and it serves a big crowd, and there's no dishes. You just
throw
toss it in the garbage, and then you just wash that.
Yeah.
And so I like to keep it simple that way, but I also really like to have fun things. So if you aren't gonna do something big on the centerpiece, so these are the team colors, so you can always switch out your colors. But I do think it's really fun to have that one cute detail. So spend your time on one cute dessert, and then pulling and everything else that you have just colors that match.
Did the team love it?
So, oh, it was so cute.
They probably felt so special
They were
with
like,
their
do we
names.
get to keep the balls? And I'm like,
You're like, no, but we
let's
love
talk
you.
after, yeah.
We love you, and to have the personalization with their names and their numbers, and you're right, there is simplicity in this design, but it packs that little bit of cute, that impact.
For sure,
that makes a mark. And just the balls on display. I love it all. Brooke, we
thanks.
love you. Thank you so much.
It was so fun.
Where can we see more of your ideas?
Just at theloveliestdetail.com or just on Instagram at theloveliestdetail.
The Loveliest Detail will link you over, and thank you again for such a cute idea and cute inspiration.